Welcome. In front of me is a Realme GT 6T, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. And somewhere here you will find a hotspot toggle. So let's see if I can find it quickly. For me it's on the second page right over here. So once you see yours, you want to hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Now the reason you want to navigate into the settings is because under hotspot password or settings, you will find the password, which is randomly generated. I do recommend getting rid of it and setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters and numbers, doesn't really matter. And then you can click on save. I will keep the rest of the settings as they are set by default, which you can see right here, as these settings are set so your hotspot will work with a widest array of devices. From there, find the toggle once again and simply tap on it. And obviously this will toggle it on. Once you're done using it, you can also quickly turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more, though I think there was an option in here. Let's quickly check. Not in here. Oh, yep, there we go. So it automatically turns off your hotspot after 10 minutes of inactivity. So even if you forget about it, the device will turn it off for you. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.